Welcome to the future of sustainable energy management. Discover our groundbreaking project. At the heart of our initiative is CarbonLink. It's a cutting-edge platform. It integrates IoT sensors on wind turbines. This enhances energy efficiency. Using predictive AI, our system models and analyzes data. It provides valuable insights. This reduces maintenance costs and boosts energy production. Unplanned maintenance incidents were higher than expected. This slowed energy production. Our objectives are clear. We demonstrate large-scale capabilities of intelligent analytics. Join us on this journey towards a sustainable future. Improve operational efficiencies by an average of 30%. Together, we can make a difference. Welcome to the new era of energy efficient